What's the meaning of condolence? Condolence. Condolence.
Condolence. Condolence. Condolence is a noun that refers to an expression of sympathy or sorrow for someone who has experienced a loss or tragedy. It is often used to convey feelings of empathy and support, particularly in times of grief or mourning. Expressing condolences can be done in various ways, such as offering words of comfort, sending a card or flowers, attending a funeral or wake, or simply being there to listen and offer a shoulder to cry on. Overall, condolence is a way to offer comfort and support to someone who is going through a difficult time.